Hi, I'm Lexi. Let's learn 10 phrasal verbs with come. Number 1. Come across. It means to find something by chance. Example, I came across an old photo of us while cleaning the drawer. Number 2. Come along. It means to accompany someone, also to make progress. Example, would you like to come along to the park with us? Number 3. Come back. It means to return. Example, she came back home late last night. Number 4. Come by. It means to visit briefly, also to get something. Example, come by my office after lunch. Number 5. Come down with. It means to become ill with something. Example, I think I'm coming down with a cold. Number 6. Come in. It means to enter. Example, come in and take a seat. Number 7. Come on. It means to encourage someone, also used to show disbelief or impatience. Example, come on, you can do it. Number 8. Come out. It means to appear, be released, or become known. Example, her new book will come out next month. Number 9. Come over. It means to visit someone's home. Example, my cousins are coming over this evening. Number 10. Come up with. It means to think of an idea or solution. Example, she came up with a brilliant idea for the project. Great job learning these phrasal verbs with come. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun English lessons. See you in the next video.